There are over 3 billion social media users in the world. It's where people are. Shouldn't your business be there too? People look to social media to communicate with friends, discover entertaining content, and to keep up with trending topics and products. To grow your social audience, your business needs to post interesting and valuable content regularly on multiple platforms. Social moves fast. This means your content should also be timely and relevant. However, your strategy shouldn't stop there. Tracking and analytics will let you know how many people have seen your posts, allowing you to measure your success. You can also quickly expand your audience by reaching out to social influencers to post on behalf of your brand. Ensure your customers think of you and not the competition. Start building and engaging your audience today.